All right, welcome back. Strong winds returning to Los Angeles, potentially creating another dangerous situation amid these wildfires, many of which are still burning. Contessa Brewer taking a look at how fire crews are handling the situation where it changes not just day to day, I would imagine, Contessa, but hour by hour.
Yeah, in some cases, minute by minute, Brian. I'm in Upper Brentwood now along a fire line where firefighters are actively working. And you can see what an amazing shot they have, what a beautiful view of the Pacific Ocean here. This neighborhood was spared, but it is like the line of interface with the wildland. Turn over this way, and you can see Mandeville Canyon and how it looks like a moonscape now. It is completely charred, the fire coming down here. And I talked with one of the residents who said, look, I was here, I was watching it, hosing down the neighbors' houses, hosing down this one, but you can see it was actually the fire retardant. You can see the line right here. And then over here, can you see the large defensible space that has been cleared out of this hillside? Firefighters tell me that likely saved not only these homes, but then all of the homes below, because there was nothing for the embers to catch on to at that point. In order to get here, I had to do a ride-along. I got to do a ride-along with CAL FIRE. And here's a little bit of what we saw driving up to this site.
So these are all the engines that are staging for this community here in case a fire were to reignite or ignite somewhere here along this fire line. There's a lot of houses in this area, and we don't want to have that reaction time that it takes for these engines to come from base camp. And those winds were something like I had never seen. They were catching houses on fire that were many blocks over from where the firefight even was.
What we've been seeing out here is the firefighters going through and looking for hot spots using pickaxes and shovels. They use infrared to go and detect this, but they're telling me right now, guys, no active fire situation, no flames actively burning either in the Palisades fire or the Eaton fire. It's just that in order to get to 100% containment, they got to go through and make sure that every hot spot is put out. And you can see the wind is picking up a little bit, but this is wind off of the ocean, not the Santa Ana winds, which gives them a sigh of relief because this is not the one that they're worried about. And also, for the time being, because so much has burned here, it gives this particular neighborhood some respite from the worry. And guys?
It's just unbelievable, the level of the damage. I have a lot of friends that have lost homes out there, Contessa. And yet, as I understand it, we still don't know what caused the Palisade fire, correct? NBC News reported last night they're investigating human activity. They think humans cause most fires. They still don't know the exact cause of at least the Palisades fire, correct?
Yeah, they don't know, and that's something that's ongoing. That could depend, you know, for insurers. That's important because they got to know where to put the blame.
Oh. Contessa, look at that. Oh, Contessa, thank you.